Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have one sheet of paper and one staple. Fold immediately to shape the nose. Fold the top corners to the center line so the tip becomes sharp, and press the crease firmly with your finger or a ruler. Once done, fold the plane in half away from you along the center seam so the folded corners stay inside. Make sure the tip is compact and the folds are tight. We staple there to add weight and keep the nose from unfolding in flight. Now shape the wings to control lift and stability. Open the plane just enough to fold each wing down so their leading edges are straight and even. Once the wings are aligned, add small winglets by folding the tips down 1/4 inch. That gives roll stability. Position the staple at the very tip where all paper layers meet, pushing it through toward the center seam. This concentrates mass forward for better glide and prevents the nose from peeling open. Check symmetry before final crease. Finish by crimping the staple flat against the nose so it won't catch air and trim any uneven paper that could create drag. Hold the plane by the bottom of the fuselage and perform a few gentle, level throws to observe flight behavior. Note whether it dives, stalls, or spins. If it dives, bend the trailing edges up slightly. If it spins, adjust one winglet by a hair or slide the staple a small amount toward the opposite side to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.